Okay, so we're going to be drawing along here, and we hope you guys have something to draw along with us. For our first video, we're going to be drawing a dragon, right? That's what you wanted to draw?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so what we're using is just a marker, and then we've got some colored pencils for coloring it in after. So we'll take those and we'll set those aside, and we'll come back to those. So we've got a nice big sheet of paper, and because our dragon is going to be laying down, we're going to go ahead and have our paper going side to side.
Yeah.
So just follow along with us, and hopefully you have a great time. So we're going to start off, we're going to actually make the bottom part of our dragon's head. So we're going to start with here, probably over this spot. Yep. And it's going to be a curved line down. Yep. And then another like a U line for its nose. Yeah, that looks great. And then another curved line back up on the other side for like the cheek. Yeah. All right, now start right at that line, and we're going to curve nice up, big, and around like that. Nice job. All right, so that's going to be the top of our dragon's head. What do you think we should put on the top of our dragon's head?
Like it's going up, so little horns.
Little horns. I love it. All right, so I'm actually going to bring this over just a little farther. Yeah, you can too. That's good. And then we're going to draw a U line. Now I'm going to start there, and I'm going to go big U down, and then back up. Okay, so that's going to be our dragon's horn. And then that's going to come up to a point, so it's going to be like a A, like a big letter A, like that. And do a big letter A line. Look at you. And then, ooh, that's a long horn. All right. Then off of that, we're going to go into the ear. So it's going to be a line out and curve down like this, almost like an S. Yep. And then that's going to come back and touch where we started. Turn it back to where you started. Beautiful. Nice job. All right, let's put another horn. So that's going to be one horn. On this side, we're just going to have the top, the letter A part. Nice. And then over here, we're going to do another ear. So see how this line went curved down? It's going to curve this way and out. Nice. Those are nice big ears. And then that's going to curve right back into our cheek. And I like to lay the outside of the head. Sometimes I do the inside, sometimes I do the outside. This one we're doing the outside. All right, let's do our eyeballs. Now right here, yep, so your eye is probably going to start like right there. And we're going to do a big bounce up and down. It's like a rainbow line. Yep, and then underneath that, we're going to do a little U line. And then we're going to do another line across to kind of make it look like its eyes closed. Yeah! Now on this side, we're not going to see the whole thing. We're going to have a curved line that comes down. So right off this side, and then just curve into about there. Nice! And then we're going to curve back. And then one more line, just like we did on the other side, to make it kind of look like our dragon sleeping. Nice. All right, let's do our little dragon nose. So right in between here, yep, right in here, we're going to do a little letter U. And then over the top of that, we're going to do a bigger line, a big rainbow line across. Yep, and then we're going to connect those in to make our nose. Just a curved line on each side. Beautiful. All right. Now let's give our dragon some paws. He's going to be resting on his arm. Sometimes when I sleep, I put my hand on my arm to sleep. So we're going to draw the fingers right over here off this left cheek. I'm going to do a U line. And then another U line. Yep. And why don't you do one from here to there, just a U line around. And then a third U line there. And what are those going to be?
Fingers.
Fingers. And
Let's do this side.
Let's do little claws on them, yeah, little letter V's.
These?
Yep. So they look like claws at the tip. Those are big claws. Nice. All right, and then be underneath that, like right over at the edge.
Excuse me, Dad. Sometimes I sleep like this.
Yeah, sometimes I sleep with my hand up on my face too. All right, let's do a curved line. So we're going to take off here, go around up to the chin. And that's going to be its arm. Okay. On the other side over here, we're going to do some more of our fingers. So we're going to do a U line. And you want to do them right up in here too. Okay. And a U line. And I'll do one more, but I don't know if you've got room for one more. You want to do one there?
Yeah.
Okay. And then put your claws.
These one of them even got a little falling off. That one.
That one fell off a little? Nice.
But there was other ones.
Okay. So then we're going to put an arm on this side too. So we're going to take that arm and loop it around like this all the way up to the ear. There you go. All right. Now let's go to the back. We're going to do a big C line for the back leg. Now look.
See?
Letter C like that. You know your letters. How old are you?
Good.
4. That's right. All right. At the bottom of that, here, we're going to do some, like a W. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So like a W with an extra boop, or loop. Loop. And then I'm going to curve back into the leg. So yeah, right off of this, back into the leg. Oh, in the middle. Perfect. Yep. All right, let's go back to the head here. Off of the horn, we're going to do a line. This is going to be the back. Now watch how I do mine, and then you can do yours, okay? Big curve around the whole body. So all the way back to here. Nice job.
1 second.
All right. Yep. And then we're going to have to add a tail to this guy. So we're going to pretend that this is where the tail starts. And we're going to curve. Watch how I do it. Curve up and back around like that. And actually, I'm going to make mine touch. Yep. Up and around and back in. Yep. And then I'm going to put a little A line back here for the tip of the tail. Right in there, yeah. Nice. All right. Let's go ahead and add some, what do you want to add? Some stripes?
Yeah, I wanted just like.
Should we add little wings? Let's add little wings. Let's go right in here. Okay, in the body. And we're going to do, maybe a little closer to the head. And we're going to go up. And then we're going to come back. Yep, and then we're going to go out. And then we're going to go back. And then we're going to bump right into our leg. And then we're going to imagine that it comes down here and it goes right back to the beginning, like that. Nice. And then on the other side, we've got to put a wing on this side, so we'll come over here. Right between, yep, and it's going to go up. And then back in. And then out. And that'll be our wing for our dragon. Now what do we have to do with it?
Color.
Color! All right. So we're going to use some colored pencils here. And you can use anything that you have. And then we just pick some of these fire-looking colors, right, for our dragon.
Yeah.
And what other color did we pick?
Blue.
Blue. All right. So let's go through and color. I'm going to use yellow. And we're going to color in.
Do it.
Yeah, if you want to use a different color, you can use a different color. Okay, there it is.
Oh. I didn't make it a flaming.
That's okay. Ready?
I didn't make that.
You want to make the flame?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your flame at the tail. Do you know how? It's a curved line, like an S line that comes off the top. See? Curve. And then back down to the other side. Yep. Then you put your red in the middle.
That's the middle of mine.
Then you do your orange.
Alone it?
Yep. And then you'll do yellow on the very end.
And then leave some room.
Yep. Leave a little room for the yellow at the end.
Okay.
We put our signature on our work, right?
Right.